Tim Flatch is a photographer who spent just over 2 years working on a project titled Endangered. The British photographer traveled the world with the goal of taking incredible pictures of exotic animals that may soon be extinct unless we change our ways and offer protection to these beautiful creatures. The photographer states that he wanted to reveal the relationships connecting humans with their wild counterparts. Many of us will never get to see the animals that Tim has captured in our lifetimes. These animals are affected by things like climate change, pollution, and deforestation, all of which are destroying natural habitats at a rapid rate around the world. If we don't address these issues soon, these photographs will be all that we have left of these powerful animals. 1. Siamese crocodile. 2. Yunnan snub-nosed monkey. 3. Hooded vulture. 4. Flat-fronted caiman. 5. Scallop hammerhead aggregation. 6. Yellow-eyed tree frog. 7. Beluga sturgeon. 8. Proboscis monkey. 9. Marine iguana. 10. Scimitar oryxes. 11. Egyptian vulture. 12. Indian gharial. 13. European honeybee. 14. Arabian oryx. 15. Kaiser's newt. 16. Western lowland gorillas. 17. Military macaw. 18. Northern white rhinoceros. 19. Golden snub-nosed monkey. 20. Hippopotamus. 21. Pied tamarin. 22. Blue-throated macaw. 23. Shoebill. 24. Giant panda. 25. Red-crowned crane. 26. Sea angels. 27. Plowshare tortoise. 28. Snow leopard. 29. Ring-tailed lemur. 30. White-bellied pangolin. 31. Hyacinth macaw. 32. Cheetah with her cubs. 33. African elephant. 34. Fireflies. 35. Saiga. 36. Red panda. 37. Polar bear. 38. Iberian lynx. 39. Philippine eagle. 40. Ulm salamander.